7 healthy foods Japanese women eat every day for vitality, no fuss, just nutrition. As we age, it's natural to feel a shift in our energy levels and overall vitality. But what if we told you that the secret to maintaining youthful vigor could lie in the everyday choices you make? Imagine a life where you wake up each morning feeling refreshed and ready to embrace the day with vitality and enthusiasm. It's not a distant dream. It's a lifestyle that many Japanese women over 40 have already embraced. And the key to this transformation is hidden in their daily diet. Today, we're going to embark on a culinary journey to Japan, exploring the 7 healthy foods that Japanese women over 40 incorporate into their daily routine to maintain their health and vitality. Each of these foods is not just a source of nutrition, but a testament to the rich cultural heritage and time-honored traditions of Japanese cuisine. You'll discover how these foods, when combined, form a nutritional powerhouse that can help you combat the effects of aging, boost your metabolism, and enhance your overall well-being. Before we dive in, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Your support means everything to us. Now, let's uncover the secrets of Japanese women's ageless vitality, one delicious bite at a time. Number 1. Miso soup. Miso soup, a staple in Japanese cuisine, is more than just a comforting broth. It's a nutritional powerhouse that Japanese women have been enjoying for centuries. This traditional soup is made by simmering soybeans, rice bran, and salt to create a rich and creamy base, often referred to as miso. The beauty of miso soup lies in its versatility. It's a blank canvas for incorporating an array of health-boosting ingredients. Tofu, a great source of plant-based protein, adds a soft and silky texture while boosting your intake of calcium and iron. Wakame seaweed, renowned for its anti-aging properties, provides a unique umami flavor and is rich in antioxidants. Green onions bring a fresh, vibrant taste and are packed with vitamins A and C. Green tea, sometimes infused in miso soup, offers an additional antioxidant boost and is celebrated for its potential health benefits. Enjoying a bowl of miso soup daily can be a simple yet effective way to nourish your body and embrace the traditional Japanese lifestyle. Natto, a traditional Japanese breakfast food, may not be visually appealing, but it's a nutritional goldmine. These soybeans are fermented with Bacillus subtilis, giving them a unique sticky texture and pungent aroma. Don't let its appearance fool you though. Natto is a fantastic source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. It's particularly noted for its high vitamin K2 content, which plays a vital role in bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. Additionally, natto contains probiotics that support a healthy gut, aiding digestion and boosting the immune system. Japanese women often enjoy natto as a topping for rice or mix it with other ingredients to create delicious dishes. Incorporating natto into your daily diet can be a tasty and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being. 3. Fermented vegetables. Fermented vegetables, such as pickled onions, cucumbers, and plums, are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your health. The fermentation process gives these vegetables a tangy flavor and numerous health benefits. Firstly, they're excellent sources of vitamins and minerals. Pickled onions, for example, are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Cucumbers are hydrating and refreshing, while plums offer a good dose of fiber and potassium. Moreover, fermented vegetables contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. A healthy gut is essential for proper digestion and a strong immune system. These probiotics aid in breaking down food, absorbing nutrients, and preventing harmful bacteria from growing by including fermented vegetables in your daily meals. You can provide your body with essential nutrients and promote a balanced gut microbiome, contributing to your overall health and vitality. Number 4. Green tea. Green tea is more than just a beverage. It's a cornerstone of Japanese culture and a key ingredient in promoting healthy aging. Unlike other teas, green tea is minimally processed, allowing it to retain its natural antioxidants. One of the main components of green tea, epigallocatechin galatea, or EGCG, has been linked to various health benefits. It may help boost the immune system, protect against heart disease, and even aid in weight loss. In addition, green tea contains amino acids that support brain health and may improve cognitive function. Japanese women traditionally enjoy green tea after a meal, not only to aid digestion, but also to take advantage of its health benefits. To reap the full benefits of green tea, it's important to consume it in moderation and choose high-quality organic options. Sashimi and sushi are not only culinary delights, but also nutritional powerhouses that Japanese women have enjoyed for generations. Sashimi, consisting of thinly sliced raw fish, is a rich source of protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and tuna can help reduce inflammation and support heart health. Sushi, with its vinegared rice and seafood toppings, offers a balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, and antioxidants. The preparation of sashimi and sushi requires precision and skill, ensuring that each bite is not only visually appealing, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. These traditional Japanese dishes not only satisfy your taste buds, but also provide a nutritious and refreshing way to support your overall health and vitality. 6. Seafood. Seafood plays a vital role in the diets of Japanese women over 40, providing a plethora of health benefits. From salmon to sardines, mackerel and shrimp. These aquatic delights are rich in protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. The omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish like salmon are known to support heart health, reduce inflammation, and promote brain function. Shellfish, such as scallops and shrimp, are excellent sources of vitamin D and B12, which contribute to strong bones and healthy blood cells. Additionally, seafood provides a good amount of iodine, which is crucial for thyroid health. Japanese women traditionally enjoy a variety of seafood, including grilled, brothy, or pickled preparations, ensuring they receive the full range of nutrients these aquatic treasures offer. Incorporating a variety of seafood into your diet can be a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and vitality. Number 7. Sesame oil. Sesame oil, often referred to as the liquid gold of Japanese cuisine, is more than just a flavorful condiment. It's a treasure trove of health benefits. Cold-pressed sesame oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its high smoke point makes it ideal for cooking, adding a nutty and toasty flavor to stir-fries and grilled dishes. Sesame oil also contains antioxidants that may help protect against cellular damage and reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, it has antimicrobial properties that can help fight harmful bacteria. Japanese women often use sesame oil in small amounts to add depth of flavor to their meals, while reaping its health benefits. Drizzling a bit of sesame oil over salads, tofu dishes, or steamed vegetables can elevate both the taste and nutritional value of your meals. Embracing the power of habit. While incorporating these 7 healthy foods into your daily routine can significantly boost your health and vitality. It's equally important to understand the power of habit. Japanese women over 40 often follow a traditional lifestyle that includes regular exercise. Stress management through practices like yoga or meditation, and a deep connection to nature. These habits complement their nutritious diet, creating a holistic approach to wellness. It's important to note that while these foods are common in Japanese cuisine, individual preferences and dietary needs may vary. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist to determine the best dietary choices for your specific requirements. Nurturing our natural beauty from within. The secret to the ageless vitality and natural beauty of Japanese women over 40 lies in the harmonious blend of a nutritious diet, mindful lifestyle choices, and a deep respect for tradition. By embracing the power of these 7 healthy foods, we can emulate their approach to wellness and unlock our own inner vitality. So let us take inspiration from these remarkable women and nourish our bodies with the goodness of miso soup, natto, fermented vegetables, green tea, sashimi, sushi, seafood, and sesame oil. As we incorporate these foods into our daily lives, let us also cultivate habits that promote overall well-being, such as regular physical activity, stress reduction techniques, and a deeper connection with nature. Remember, true beauty radiates from within, and it's time to unleash the radiant, vibrant woman that lies dormant within you.